Hey, everyone! If you love cooking, meal prepping, or just making your kitchen life easier, you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing 5 amazing kitchen tools that can seriously level up your cooking game. Let's dive in. Number 1, FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer. First up, the FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer machine. If you buy in bulk or meal prep like I do, this one's a game changer. It delivers strong, airtight seals with its dual heat strips, and automatic bag detection makes sealing effortless. The built-in roll cutter saves so much bag waste, and you even get starter bags right out of the box. Pros: reliable sealing, easy to use, perfect for sous vide, and comes with a 5-year warranty. Cons: plastic build, takes up some counter space, and works best with FoodSaver bags. Overall, a smart addition to keep food fresh longer. Number 2, Fradel Digital Kitchen Food Scale. Next, the Fradel Digital Kitchen Food Scale. I love how the removable stainless steel bowl makes measuring and mixing so easy. It's incredibly accurate down to 1 gram or 0.1 ounce, and the backlit display plus tare function makes adding multiple ingredients a breeze. Pros: accurate, dishwasher safe bowl, easy to read display. Cons: AAA batteries not included, and 11 pounds max might be limiting. For everyday cooking or baking, this scale is a total winner. Number 3, CucinaPro Multi Baker Deluxe. The CucinaPro Multi Baker Deluxe is perfect if you don't want a dozen appliances. With 3 interchangeable skillets, I grilled, baked, and even made dessert effortlessly. The takoyaki/cake pop plate is super fun for trying new recipes, and the included recipe booklet is a nice touch. Pros: versatile 3-in-1 design, easy to clean. Cons: 120W cooks slower, not ideal for big batches. A compact, creative helper for any small kitchen. Number 4, Evo Oil Sprayer. If you want less oil without losing flavor, the Evo Oil Sprayer is a must. Its fan-shaped spray evenly coats pans and veggies using far less oil. I love the stainless steel body, it's sturdy and stylish, plus it works with oils and vinegars. Pros: durable, even spray, eco-friendly. Cons: needs hand washing, occasional clogging. It's a reliable, healthier alternative to aerosol sprays. Number 5, Anova Nano 3.0 Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Finally, the Anova Nano 3.0 Sous Vide Cooker. Compact yet powerful, it heats water fast and maintains precise temps for perfect steaks, chicken, and veggies every time. The touchscreen and Wi-Fi app let you monitor your cook anywhere. Pros: precise temperature, compact, consistent results. Cons: optional subscription costs extra, 1/2L capacity isn't for large batches. A smart, space-saving tool for any home chef wanting restaurant-quality meals at home. So there you have it, 5 kitchen tools that can simplify your cooking, save time, and make meal prep way more fun. Which one are you adding to your kitchen first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen tips.